Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Copilot AI. Today I'll be showing you how Copilot can help workers with troubleshooting and resolving machine issues. So this is very helpful if you work in the manufacturing industry, distribution industry, or any other industries that you have to deal with machinery. And you are also going to get a first sneak peek about a SharePoint agents, which are specific AI-powered tools that are present in Microsoft SharePoint to help you find information in your Microsoft ecosystem. So I'm going to take a scenario for this demo. So let's say you are a machine operator and you need to perform a safety check prior to operating one of the machines. So you encounter an error on one of the machines and you've come to the Microsoft team on here to try and find some help on how to troubleshoot that issue. So you are going to navigate on files and you can see here we've got the machine troubleshooting file where we've got a lot of documents here that you can go through. But again, going through all of those documents to fix a machine can take some time and lead to delays. So we are going to use a SharePoint agent to help us do that. So we are going to open this in SharePoint. And this is where we can then go ahead and create a SharePoint agent. As you can see up here, we've got the option to create an agent. And once you've created your agent, now again, I've already created an agent for the purpose of this demo. But if you click on that and you input all of the information that you want the agent to do, again, be very specific and give the right instruction, I am sure you will be able to create a nice SharePoint agent. So once your agent is ready, you can click on Open Agent and it will open this other tab for you where you can then chat with it like you chat with Copilot. So you are going to write your question here, like I'm writing that I'm having an issue with the specific machinery, and if it can provide any checklists to help me troubleshoot that issue. And once you do that, you will see that Copilot is going to go into all of the documents that you already have in your SharePoint and provide you with the accurate and correct information that you need for that specific machine that you need to resolve the issue with. Now, you will also see that Copilot will insert some sources to where it had received those information. So if you want to go and check that information on your own, you can definitely do so. So let's say based on that, you've already fixed the errors that you have been facing with that specific machinery. But let's say you are getting other errors with the same machine. So again, you can come here and type your question here, as you can see. So now you are asking the SharePoint agent that you are getting other errors, other error codes with the machine, and to give you a list of the error codes and how to resolve them. And once you do that, you will see that Copilot will again take all of the important information based on your prompt and provide it to you here. So this is a list of all of the errors that you can get and also how you can fix them. So if you have another prompt that you want to add, so for instance, you are telling Copilot that this is a third machine failure that you've had in the last 2 months, and so if they can provide contact information for any expert to come and maybe do a service on the machine. So what this will do is Copilot is then going to again go into all of your documents and all of your contact details and source only the required expert to fix the specific error. So as you can see here, it has given you the name of a person and also has submit the steps that you need to take to provide a service request to that person. So again, Copilot is really specific based on the prompt that you give it, and it's also very easy and efficient for you to have all of the information instead of you having to go to search for them in different files. Now, another thing that I also wanted to say is you can share this agent to your colleagues as well by clicking on the share up here, and you can click on the copy link for Teams so that you can directly share it with a team chat. So when you click on that, you will see here that the link has been copied, so you can go back to your chat here. So this is a chat for machine operators. So again, all of the people who might find it useful to have access to the agent on SharePoint, and you can just go ahead and share it here with the link of the agent. So it's very easy, very quick as well, as you can see. And one other thing that you can do is you can click to add this SharePoint agent to the chat. Once you do that, the agent will form part of the chat. So now you can see people can use the agent right here instead of having to go on SharePoint. They can still use it on SharePoint. They can also use it here. But the beauty of it is because Microsoft, everything is connected, so Copilot will still be able to pull all of the information on your different files on SharePoint and provide the necessary answer here. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.